Hello guys, as I discuss Guru from the Assam Sentinel. Okay, regarding what Assam Aerospace or Defense Manufacturing Policy 2025, right? Just a day before the what? Advantage 2.0 Assam Cabinet কি কৰিলে Assam Aerospace আৰু Defense Manufacturing Policy 2025 টো pass কৰিলে, right? So আমি আজি try কৰি discuss কৰিব যে কি incentive পালে পাই ন কি facilities দিয়া পাব to the defense manufacturers, right? Okay, fine. To the investors. যদি আমি চাওঁ introduction তেতিয়াহ'লে Assam is trying to position itself as a key hub for aerospace and defense manufacturing, right? Okay. The state's strategic location and government support are driving this growth, right? Okay, fine. Strategic location মানে কি কাৰণে কৈছে as a gateway to South Asia, Southeast Asia, right? And Eastern. So সেইটো কাৰণে strategic location বা government support বুলি কৈ আছে, right? Assam new policy aims to attract more investment and create a strong aerospace and defense industrial base, right? Okay. যদি আমি objectives of the policy চাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে promote aerospace and defense manufacturing in Assam, right? Okay. Attract major domestic and international investment, right? Okay. Leverage Assam's strategic location for defense and export markets, right? As it is located to what? South Asia and Southeast Asian, right? Support MSMEs, startups, and large enterprise in this sector, right? Okay. Generate employment and skill development opportunities, right? Okay. Today, আমি key features by incentive কওঁ of the Assam Aerospace or defense manufacturing policy তেতিয়াহ'লে capital interest subsidy of up to 30%, right? Okay. 100% stamp duty concession. Okay. As GST general state GST available reimbursement and electricity duty waiver, right? Okay. Free of. Land subsidies up to 50%, right? Okay. And special incentives for MSMEs, MRO units, and defense startups, right? Okay. Customized incentive for investment above 500 crore, right? That one special concession dia hobo, right? Okay, fine. যদি আমি benefits for investors কওঁ from this new policy তেতিয়াহ'লে ease of doing business with streamlined approvals, right? Access to a full of skilled workforce, strong government and policy support, potential to collaborate with global aerospace and defense giants, right? Okay. Assam's connectivity to Southeast Asia and South Asia for export opportunities, right? Okay. যদি আমি future prospect to চাওঁ if everything goes the way Assam government is planning তেতিয়াহ'লে কি হ'ল Assam is set to become a major aerospace and defense hub in India, right now. Hopefully, then everything goes well, right? Okay. Possibility of companies like Airbus and Hull setting up manufacturing bases, right? I mean, if everything goes right, there is a possibility to see companies like Airbus and Hull, right, setting up manufacturing bases in Assam, right? Boost employment, technology, and economic growth, right? Okay. Enhance contribution to India's defense and aerospace capabilities. Okay, so the overall conclusions from this manufacturing policy তেতিয়াহ'লে Assam Aerospace and Defense Manufacturing Policy 2025 is a game changer, right? Okay. It provides strong incentives, infrastructure, policy support for investors, right? Okay. This sets in transformation into an industrial powerhouse is well underway, right? Hopefully we can get to see, right? Okay. With the right strategies, Assam could become a national leader in this defense or manufacturing sector, right? Okay. Okay, guys. It seems like the topic to our very important for the upcoming APSC competitive exams, right? So we need to have a clear concept or overall concept, right? To the time, right questions. Okay, guys. Have a good day.